scholarship to
Medyo okay lang.
Evangeline M. Mirando, Bayugo National High School, Bayugo, Alahala, Rizal, whose eligibility for 80% tuition discount has been approved by Fatima University Scholarship Committee. Given a recognition day of March in the year of our Lord 2013, signed the President, Caroline Marian S. Enriquez. At tatanggap din po siya ng 25% scholarship mula sa STI.